Hello everybody, today we'll be doing a quick practice in drawing some different mouths, different expressions. So if you have your pencils all set, we can roll. We will go with extreme, well, sort of extreme expressions. So to begin, let us first put a straight line right through. And let's imagine that this will be the middle of the mouth, or where the teeth join together. So the first expression is actually an exertion type of expression where the teeth are grit together in a desperate or angry sort of way. So the teeth in this case play a very important role, and as you see right there, that is, so those are the lips and the teeth, but then the features around have to complement. So chin and whatnot. So the rest of the face has to complement that expression that the mouth is making here. And then we're going to go for exposed teeth again. Let's put down a similar nose. It's a generic nose, but a similar nose. And in this case, grit teeth, but with a more stretched out expression. So that will be the lower lip right there, and then we'll put in our teeth. The way this will show is that those are the teeth joining in right there. So, and this lip could even be up here, covering a portion of the lower teeth and exposing the top one, and this fold around the nose will go somewhere like that. So it could be a sadistic smile, it could be anger. It'll depend on what kind of eyes you draw. For example, if I put in a pair of angry eyes right now, I think that this will probably pass for an angry expression, but the chin will be stretched out in that case accordingly. And there we have our second expression. So let us do a third one again. So let's also make this a grit teeth one, and in this case I'm just going to go like that first, and then like that. So let's put our essential nose somewhere around here, and then we'll work to put in the teeth. Remember that the line of the teeth does not have to go along the lip, because the teeth will either hide or be exposed behind the lip. So this part is exposed, that part isn't, that part is behind that upper lip, and for that matter in this case even the lower lip. So we will round that off right here. See, I made it too wide. So those are the teeth, and then it's really up to us if we need to put in a lower lip, we can. An upper lip, if we need it, it'll be outstretched, and this part will be more stretched than this. So again, another extreme, possibly angry expression. These are routinely used in different media, so it'll depend on what you are looking to draw. So that is our final image right there. And then of course the rest of the facial features follow suit. Okay, so those are some quick expressions, and great teeth expressions. So you can have a lot of fun practicing these different expressions. Google lots of images, and thank you for joining us. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.